Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tip for all you iPhone users out there. With the latest iPhone models in 2025, managing your device's battery and charging speed has never been easier. If you're always on the go and need to know how fast your phone is juicing up, this quick guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is plugged in and charging. This feature works best when your device is connected to a power source. Start by unlocking your iPhone and heading to the home screen. Now, open the Settings app. It's that gear icon you see. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. This section is your go-to for all things power related. In the battery menu, look for the Battery Health option. Here, you'll see detailed stats about your battery, including its current capacity and, more importantly, the charging speed. On 2025 models, Apple has made this even more straightforward with real-time updates. You'll notice a new subsection called Charging Details, where it displays the exact watts or percentage per hour your phone is charging at. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version, like iOS 19, which includes enhanced battery monitoring features. Another cool way to check this is through the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open it. Then, tap and hold on the battery icon. A pop-up will show you the charging speed along with estimated time to full charge. This is perfect for a quick glance without digging into settings. Pro tip: for even more accuracy, use a certified Apple charger or a high-quality third-party one, as this can affect your charging speed. Remember, factors like your phone's temperature and apps running in the background can influence how fast it charges. There you have it, viewing your iPhone's charging speed in just a few simple steps. This feature is a game changer for optimizing your daily routine. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.